Assalamu alaikum. Welcome. In the last video, we are learning about the payment which is here, and then we are calculating all the months. I mean the 60 months, which is the combined of 5 years, and then we have calculated the payment. This is the payment all the way through 60 months, and now we would like to calculate the interest. So to calculate the interest, we are going through the formula, which is IPMT. Then we would like to put the rate, and as you all know, we have to divide the rate by 12 because we are going to calculate this for monthly uses. Then par means first month. Then n par means the time or duration. We are multiplying this into 12. Then PV, the PV is this, and the feature value, though we don't have feature value, then 0, and then 0 again because we would like to calculate this for the end of the period, then closing the bracket. So this is the interest, and for the next page we would like to freeze some of these, going through freezing. Yes, this is red, this is going to be freeze. This is par, this is not going to be freeze, this is going to be freeze, and lastly the future value is going to be freeze. So done and dusted, and we would like to drag this down till 60. Here is 60. Yes, this is the amount. Then we would like to calculate the principal amount. So calculating the principal amount, we would like to put the formula first. The formula is PPMT. So PPMT, then the rate, which is 15%, and now divided by 12. The par is still 1 because we are now in month 1, and then n par means time, which is 5, multiplying by 12. Then present value, which is this, still this is future value, which is 0 minus 0, and then 0 again for the end of the period. Then we're closing the brackets. So yes, this is the amount, the principal amount, and now we are going to freeze this is also. So we are going to freeze this. To freeze, we are using the Fn button, then F4 button, clicking on this text and freezing. Par is not required to change freeze, so we were just skipping this, and lastly this. So this is the principal amount of first month, and we would like to drag this down till 60 months. So 60 here, yes. So this is the principal amount of this, and now we are going to calculate the amount but due to the time limitations, we already have passed 1 minute. So see you in the next video. We would like to sum up all the things in this video. So thank you so much.